Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be downloading some free games right here on your Xbox using your Xbox Live Gold membership. So let's just go into My Games and Apps. Now these are full versions, not trials by the way, so let's just go right into Gold. Once we're in Gold, we can see right away the 3 games that we can download for free. So Batman has been out from before already, so download it really fast because it's almost over and another game is going to replace this one very soon. However, with this guy right here, and that Xbox 360 game right here, you guys have a little bit more time. Anyways, let's just go into Xbox Live Gold just to take a further look at them. So right here we can see the 3 once again, and like I mentioned, Batman has been out from before. That means you guys have less time. However, for Heroes you do have more time to download it, and then this guy again, you do have a limited time to download these. So after just a little bit, we're gonna get another batch of free games, so make sure to download these right now. Anyways, let's just download the Xbox 360 game first of all, just because this one would be the most difficult one, let's say, just because you guys have to verify your payment information, and that's always with Xbox 360 games. However, with Xbox One games, you never need to verify any payment information, even though they're free. Anyways, let's just go right into Xbox 360, and we're gonna see that it is free, but it does ask you to verify payment information for some strange reason. So right now we're just gonna click on see the price. Once you click on see the price, we're gonna see this screen right here. So make sure it says free. See how on the very top it says free for me? You have to make sure it says free. As long as it says free, it's free. You don't need to pay anything. It's just gonna verify your payment information, although it won't charge you anything. So let's just go into continue. After you click on confirm, it's gonna take you to this screen. Thanks for buying this game. You're done. You can just click on done and it's gonna download it. Again, this was a free game. These are not trials or demos, they're full versions. Right now we can see that this one's about 2 gigs. We're gonna go back and download the other one. So right now we just went back, let's just download this one. Now with Xbox One games, just this one, we won't need to verify anything. We're just gonna click on get, and you guys will notice that it says free right on the top. So that's perfect, that means it's free. We can just get it and we will not be charged anything, because you do get these games with Xbox Live membership, which you need in order to play online anyways. So it's great that we get these free games. So right now it says pending. We're gonna take a look at the full size right now. And like I mentioned, Batman, well, I already made a video about that, and that's because it's been out from before. That means it's almost over, so make sure to download it really fast. Anyways, let's just go back. We're gonna go all the way back just to look at how big these games are. I went a little bit too back. Let's just go into, there we go. We're gonna see this installing. We're just gonna pause this game for now, because we already saw that it's 2 gigs. I don't see any other updates. Very small game. I'm assuming this one's gonna be a lot bigger, and it is. It's 18.76 gigs, which is significantly big. So how long will this take for you guys to download? Well, it does depend on your internet speed. If you guys have really fast internet, this could take 15-30 minutes. Others could take hours or even days. For some people who have extremely slow internet, it can happen. Anyways, that would be it for this video. Make sure to download these right now. It's a limited time. Then we get a fresh new batch of free games from Xbox Live. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.